We learned about Bikram yoga earlier, and such a hot workout needs the support of proper nutrition. Danielle Thompson Dritton is a nutritional advisor here to show us a recipe for pre and post Bikram yoga, and she's here to share it with us this morning. I should also tell you that she is a Bikram yogarer.
Right, and I enjoy it thoroughly.
Well, I can see it on you, girl, that you are doing something really, really special.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing it?
I've been doing it for about 3 months now, and I've felt the difference. I do it before my gym workout. I do it post running.
You do it before gym?
Before, yes. I thought I was crazy, but I did it, and I felt so energized, powered through my workout. I felt amazing after.
So you do 90 minutes of Bikram?
90 minutes of sweating.
And then you
do about an hour to an hour and a half of a workout after. So
she's a good kid. All right. So tell me about what you have here today now, because you can speak from a position of knowledge as to what to do before, what to do after.
Okay, so what it is that we're looking at here is a pre-Bikram smoothie or juice. So what it is we're going to be doing is, we know already, previous to coming to Bikram class, you want to be hydrating.
Correct.
So if you're doing an early morning class, you want to be drinking water coming right down. So you're having your liter and a half coming into the class time.
A liter or a liter and a half?
Yes,
before
minimum,
class.
because you need that for all the heat that you're going to be doing.
Okay.
Additional to that.
So look here, you have to leave the class only to use the bathroom?
No. You're in there, you're focused, you're sweating. Exactly.
Okay. Chill.
So the largest organ of elimination is working.
Okay.
So to step up the entire process, what it is that we're doing now is adding back the essential electrolytes to the body. So you know, coconut water is a premium natural way to have your natural salts, your magnesium, your potassium, all these things going back into the body.
Okay.
So we're going to be using natural coconut water.
Okay.
Again, watermelon is another excellent way to add back the nutrients.
Okay.
And then the rosemary, good for brain health, good for the nerves, alkalizing. We also have the lime. In Jamaica, we have some wonderful limes. I mean, you can squeeze in an entire one, or if you have the larger ones, you used to. Now we have the cucumbers. You're talking about fiber. You're talking about the fiber. You're talking about when this goes into your body, it helps the body with elimination. You're rehydrating your organs. Your blood is feeling like it's special right now. And then a good coconut water
and
going
then
in.
I feel like I just want to drink what they no matter what you make me want some. Yes. No. Okay.
And you see that we're using seeded watermelons, natural, straight from the earth, doing wonderful things for our bodies.
Okay, then we're going to blend that up.
That's right. So and then you know the ginger is excellent for your digestion.
Right.
Let me just step around here.
Okay, so while we blend, no talking. Go.
All right. Look about ready. And again, you can add 2 cups of the coconut water. You can also add 2 cups of the watermelon if you want.
So this is pre-workout.
This is pre-workout.
This is pre-workout, guys.
And there we go.
Okay. So I just drink it from the glass.
That's right. And cheers, darling. Cheers. Ultra refreshing.
This is very nice.
High in fiber, high in potassium.
This is very good.
Your vitamin A, your vitamin C, your vitamins B1, B6.
It tastes like you can drink this even if you're not going to Bikram yoga.
Yeah, anytime in the morning. It's a wonderful way to alkalize the body.
Very nice.
And then head out for the day.
I'm going to coconut water, rosemary,
or mint. We can substitute
and
with
lime.
The mint and lime and ginger.
Like that. Love that. All right.
All right.
Post workout now. Where
so
we're going?
Pop on down to the post workout.
God have mercy. One bag of things under here. What you want help with? Just tell me what to get for you. You need these?
Yes, that's coming right up on the top.
What are we making for the post workout?
For the post workout, we'll be doing.
You can't talk from under the dance. Come up and let me get what you need.
So for the post-workout, we're going to be doing a wonderful mango, kale, and spinach smoothie. Again, we're using the coconut water. We're going to be enriching the body with the natural vitamins.
Kale and spinach.
Right, and the ginger, and then the natural protein powder.
I'm gonna keep a hope in mind.
And then added to that, we have the Nature My Therapy coconut milk. This is a wonderful protein coconut milk. So we pretty much, it's nice and thick.
Nothing coming out of it.
It's nice and thick. Whoa, yeah.
No.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Wonderful. And the thing with coconut milk is not only does it provide us with all the necessary vitamins, but in addition to that, we also have it being very filling. The protein is going to repair the muscles after the Bikram session. So you're hydrating, you're repairing, you're adding back your vitamins.
You're very deliberate about what you're putting in there. And the mango is for some sugar.
So
energy.
Again, you get a nice high dose of sugar, which you do need after a workout. And then it's also that mango helps with digestion.
Okay.
It's high in fiber, high in vitamins. I mean, it's one of the things that they say is a fruit of wonder.
Okay.
So we're moving into that space.
All right. So we're blending again.
And we're blending again.
If we can find the cover. It's which part it is. No? It's over there?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is that not it right there?
Awesome.
We found it.
We found the cover.
Blending again. Or not.
Ooh.
That would help. She's a good blender, not such a good plumberina. Let me take care of that part. There you go.
Amazing. So you look at that wonderful chlorophyll-rich green, and you have your kale, you have your spinach, freshly picked from the garden.
This is really green juice?
This is really a wonderful green smoothie, added back with fiber. So with a juice, you don't have any fiber, or not much fiber, but with a smoothie, you're getting the benefits of the fiber that's going into the digestive tract, flushing everything out, assisting the body removing waste. You're loading up on your vitamins, and you're keeping yourself full. So with the protein,
everyone who does me feel rest of the show, you see? It's because Daniel drinks them have got me him, removing things.
And that's a good thing. That's
well,
excellent for after class.
Not until 8:30, girl.
Excellent.
Actually, I'm not a green juice drinker, but this is really good.
Thank you.
Because the coconut is nice and the mango gives it a bit of sweetness as well. So.
And it's all fruits that are in season, readily available, and wonderful for us to feed to our families.
Is where we find these when we're not able to make them ourselves?
So pretty much we have an organic market that happens every second Saturday, and you can have it there. You can support local Coronation Market, and there are people who grow and sell to the supermarket. So you keep it as natural, as pesticide free as possible. So
Nature My Therapy is your company?
So Nature My Therapy is my company. But you don't sell the juices? We prepare and sell juices. Okay. So we deliver out. We have our customers come into the Bikram Yoga studio to enjoy their shakes, their smoothies, their teas, pre and post. And we enjoy just preparing lovingly these juices for
Yes,
customers.
I can tell. I can taste the love. Cheers to me.
Cheers.
Because they're not getting none. One cup of this. One cup of this.
Oh, no. Oh, wow.
I think you might have to finish the show. Thank you very much, Danielle.
Thank you so much.
Nutritional advisor Danielle Thompson Dritten. We're coming back with more. Actually, maybe daily. Actually, we're talking garbage after the break. What kind of segue is that?
Solid waste.
Solid waste.
Yeah.
Okay, I get the segue now.
Yeah.
Simple.